This is the Hudson Bay Company store. And this would have been what the voyagers brought down to this outpost by canoe for the store to sell to the natives. In exchange for fur, the natives would buy these items. And at the end of the trade, the furs were bound up and taken back to Montreal to the company. This is the fur press, and the furs were put in here and pressed down until there was 90 pounds in that bale. And a voyager was expected to carry at least 2 bales. And if they were stronger, they might be able to carry 3, sometimes 4 bales. And you can imagine, these were pretty strong men. They didn't grow very tall, maybe 5 foot, because if you are developing muscle, you are not developing height. And then they would always take kegs of liquor along with them. Sometimes they got too much, but they wouldn't go on a voyage without having something to drink, if for no other reason, to relieve pain.